YouTube. We're going to do another song that I think is good for beginners to play and sing at the same time. It's called Get Older. It's by Matthew Sweet. It's off his album 100% Fun, which was a big album, power pop, 1990s album. Let me do a little run through and then we'll learn how to play the song. Who cares if they don't think you're cool? They make everything about rules, and you're older than that now. Get older, everything will fall into place. Maybe sad when you get older, you might be happy just to say, who cares? Who cares? And that's how the next verse speaks. Basically a song of long verses and with a kind of a refrain at the end. So the first part of the verse is just the G to D. They make everything about rules. G to D, back to G. You're older than that now. And now it goes to A. You get older. Then it goes to E minor and get older. And then it kind of starts over. You might be happy just to say G to D. Get older. You might be happy just to say. And then it goes back to G on who cares? Who cares? When it goes back to who cares, you can either go right into the next verse, or you can like do it like an ending. If you don't know what you want, then the next verse begins. If they got So that's pretty much it for the song as far as the rhythm guitar. And it's a beautiful song, and it's a great song to learn to sing and play at the same time. So I think it makes a great beginner song. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.